Is it there?
Hello, handsome fellow.
Hey. Oh, going into the free flight aviary. These species have been around since the dinosaurs, apparently. And it's pissing it down. There he is. Hello. Morning. Today we've got a treat for you. A treat for us too. We are going to be looking at hopefully some kiwis. We're at a wildlife park called the Pukaha Wildlife Park, which also has a nice walk around it too. As long as these clouds don't rain on us, we might do that walk as well. Hopefully we can record and we'll try and get some videos of some kiwis.
And other birds and stuff too.
That's the stuff ones, but there's some real ones outside. This is the largest parrot in the world. This tree. Where's the Kaka? He's playing silly bugs today, isn't he? Is it there?
Oh.
You can't really see through this.
It's because she's nesting.
Oh, he's nesting.
She's got an egg, I think so. One of them's nesting and the other one's doing their poops.
Hello, mister.
Hello, handsome fellow.
He is, isn't he?
A handsome fellow, aren't you?
Hello. Come talk to us.
Hello.
Kaka.
I'm not sure that's going to attract it, but.
No. Hello. Hello. How are you? A big picture. Right. Hey. Oh. Love a redwood.
These are baby redwoods.
Well,
They've only been here since the 1930s.
Wow. Exit. Going into the free flight aviary. There's Mr. Tui. You see him? He's just there. He's so cute. Oh. Hey Tui.
Cheeky.
What are you doing?
Mr. Tui.
You've got a bow tie on, haven't you? Little white bow tie. Oh wow, is this the Oh, what's he doing up there? Are these the ones from the
No, that's by the Kiwi House.
Okay.
These are little gecko guys, I think. Are they cute? I think he's a Moko Kakariki green gecko.
Well camouflage. Hello. Ray. Ray.
Long fin eels.
Yes, she's the size of them.
Long fin, short fin.
There's Mr. Fish in there as well.
They can't have it all to themselves.
Creepy crawlies.
I didn't realise that they have more than one type of water. Many wetters.
Many wetters.
They don't quite get that big, just FYI. Slight exaggeration, that one.
Apparently there's a wetter in here, but I think he's just sitting around, laid back, and there's a big shadow. I think this is supposed to be a door that's closed, but I can't see him. Do you want to put your hand in there? Alright, this guy, not this particular one, but these species have been around since the dinosaurs apparently. You see two of them, look at them.
They've been around for over 19 million years.
Wow. Hello. They're crazy.
Hey, dude.
We're now going to go and have a little trail, which is part of the park, up to the Lookout Tower. And you know what Lookout Tower means?
No, what does it mean?
It means hills. They said it's an hour's walk or 2 kilometres, so if that is the case, it's probably quite steep. So we're going to do the look up. We can't do the loop unfortunately because the loop is closed, but we can get up to the tower and back again. It's strange. Quarter of a mile done, and we're still going up. Hey Tui. Oh, I'm pointing at me. No! Hey Mr. Tui. Alright, it's 1 mile done. And it's pissing it down. And we just come out of the woods, so we're going to get a little bit more wet.
Hang on.
Rachel's paused, left me hanging in the woods. Outside the woods. In the rain. Although, scenery is good. I mean, this is typical walk at home. Well, this is the top.
That's spectacular.
Spectacular view.
Wow.
Ta-da! Nice hat.
Thanks. That is great.
If there was no clouds, that'd be lovely to see those eels.
It's got a touch of drama to it though.
It does.
Usually the track would go back down that way.
Yeah, we can't go that way.
But we can't go that way. We'll go back on ourselves.
A bit annoying.
A little bit.
But we might see more birds. Just seen a Kaka. There he is. He's gone down there. Hello? Here's one. There he is. Hello, mate. Can you see him? Come here, eh? You can see him right there.
Wow.
Hello. Come see us. Kiwi House. Don't think the camera's going to pick much up. The camera won't pick it up, but he's just there. He's just munching around on the floor. And the camera's not going to pick that up, is it?
No, probably not. You're going to have to take our word for it that there's a kiwi there.
There's a little kiwi, look at him. There he is. He's coming this way. I ain't doing anything. You can see why Husky dog's away. There he is. So we've had a look at the wildlife park. We are seen most of the birds. I think a few of them are still hidden away. We did manage to get some kiwis on camera. However, you kind of need night vision because it's very dark in there.